Hi, hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Law Made Simple with me Vidya Reddy. Today, in the series of Law of Taxation, let us have a new topic: advance tax, due date and its applicability. Why to pay advance tax and what happens if we pay tax in advance and what are its applications. Advance tax refers to the tax to be deposited by a taxpayer with the income tax department during the year without waiting for the end of the year. Why? This is to ensure that the government is able to collect taxes more uniformly throughout the year. For example, for a salaried employee, already every month the tax is deducted and hence he receives a salary. But for those people who runs a business in crores, they have to pay advance tax. So let us get discussed what are these advance tax. So advance tax payment is mandatory for all the taxpayers whose estimated tax liability is above 10,000 rupees. And how is it calculated? The calculation of advance tax is made by applying the tax slab rate on the estimated income of that particular individual for that concerned year. So, based on the tax slab rate, the calculation of advance tax is done. And whose estimated tax liability is more than 10,000 rupees, they need to pay the advance tax. And this advance tax has to be paid in 4 installments. What are the deadlines? 15th June, 15th September, 15th December and 15th March. And if there is a late payment of advance tax, then 1% of interest is payable on as per the section 234B and 234C of Income Tax Act. And if you have paid an advance tax which is more than the actual tax liability, then you are eligible to claim the refund. Let us consider this example for the assessment year 2020 to 21. That means the financial year 2019 to 20. How advance tax payment due dates are happening. If generally advance tax is paid to avoid interest or penalty. So advance tax due dates are given for 4 installments on 4 due dates. 15th June, 15th September, 15th December and 15th March. On or before 15th June, advance tax installment will be less than 15% of advance tax liability. And on or before 15th September, not less than 45% of advance tax liability. And on or before 15th December, it is not less than 75% of tax liability. And on or before 15th March, it is 100% of advance tax liability. So every quarter there is a installment amount 15%, 45%, 75% and then comes to 100%. Okay, in this way 4 installments we can pay the advance tax due amount. Who are eligible to pay the advance tax payment? So if the taxpayer, after adjusting the TDS, if the amount exceeds more than 10,000 for that financial year, then he has to pay the advance tax. So advance tax applies to all the people: salaried, freelancers, professionals, senior citizens, businessmen, any person. And people who are senior citizens above 60 years of age and if they do not run any business, they are exempted from paying advance tax. So while calculating this advance tax, you need to include income from all sources of the current year under various income heads. So this can be house rent, allowance or something. All those income sources we need to take into consideration. And for the people, senior citizens whose age is above 60 years and who are not running any business, they are exempted from paying advance tax. And salaried individuals under TDS whose TDS and whose advance tax is less than 10,000, they are also exempted from paying the advance tax. However, if they want to pay the advance tax on income from other sources such as interest, capital gains, rent and other non-salary income, they can pay. If the TDS deducted is more than the tax payable for that year, and he is exempted from paying advance tax. So simple. As such, we have come to the end of the session. It's riddle time. Please answer the riddle in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.